In today's video, I'll show you how to upload a new backup file on iDrive. First, open your browser and go to the official website of iDrive and make sure to log in with your account. Once on the home page, click on Cloud Drive on the left side. Then choose the folder where you want to upload your files. Next, click the upload icon or arrow up at the top. You will see two options, upload file or upload folder. In this tutorial, I will choose upload file. Then select the file from your device and click open. Wait for it to finish uploading and you will see the progress on your screen. If you want to upload more files, just click add and repeat the same process. And that's it! That's how you upload a new backup file on iDrive.